Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll begin by getting into the recovery environment quickly. Create or find a Windows 8 recovery USB and connect an external drive for any quick backups. Once done, force 3 power cuts during boot to trigger automatic repair, or use Shift plus F8 if your machine responds. When Advanced Options appears, choose Troubleshoot then Advanced Options. You're now in the right place to run diagnostics and repair tools. This avoids guessing and gives direct access to the command prompt and startup repair utilities. Next, run automatic repair. If it fails, open command prompt to fix core boot issues. Use Bootrec to repair MBR and rebuild the BCD. Bootrec/Fixember, Bootrec/Fixboot, Bootrec/Scanos, Bootrec/Rebuild. Then check the file system with chkdskc/f/r to repair disk errors that cause loops. If system files are corrupted, run system file checker offline. sfc/scano with /offbootdir and /offwindir pointing to your Windows partition. These steps target both firmware level and file level. After repairs, remove installation media and reboot to see if Windows starts normally. Make sure to test safe mode to confirm stability. If the loop continues, use System Restore to roll back a recent change, or choose Reset PC and decide between keeping files or a full clean reinstall. If software fixes fail, check hardware next. Receipt or test RAM, run manufacturer SSD/HDD diagnostics, and verify SATA/UEFI settings in BIOS. One key tip: if unsure, take notes of error codes before each step to narrow the cause.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.